Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to TechXray. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we are diving into a fascinating topic that's transforming how we interact with technology, LangChain. But before we explore LangChain, we need to first understand the foundation it's built upon, large language models, LLM. Once we grasp how LLMs work, we'll dive into how LangChain takes these models to the next level by enabling them to perform more complex tasks and interact with external tools and data sources. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech content. Let's dive in. LLMs are AI models that can understand and generate human-like text. They're trained on vast amounts of text data and can perform tasks like answering questions, writing articles, or even having conversations. While large language models are extremely powerful at generating and understanding text, they have limitations. For example, LLMs don't have memory, can't access external data in real time, and struggle with complex tasks that require multiple steps. LangChain addresses these limitations by offering tools that allow these AI models to work together with other parts, making them more capable and useful than just respond to questions. LangChain is an open-source framework that helps make smart chatbots and other AI applications even smarter. Think of LangChain as a toolkit that enhances what these AI models can do. It allows them to connect to other resources, remember previous conversations, interact with different databases, and even make decisions based on the data they access. Normally, AI models like GPT-3 are really good at generating text but might not be great at using other tools or remembering past interactions. LangChain helps by adding these capabilities, making the AI more useful and versatile. Example scenarios: 1. Imagine a customer support chatbot that can not only talk to you but also pull up your past orders, check inventory in real time, and even place an order for you, all during one conversation. LangChain makes this possible by connecting the chatbot, powered by an LLM, to various databases and tools. Without LangChain, the chatbot, powered by a large language model or LLM, wouldn't have the capability to remember past interactions during the same conversation. This means every time you ask the chatbot something, it would treat it like a brand new conversation. For example, if you mention your order number in one part of the conversation, the chatbot won't remember it when you ask about the delivery status later. You'd have to repeat information, leading to a frustrating experience. 2. If you needed a research assistant that could pull information from different websites, databases, and summarize it for you, LangChain would enable an AI model to do this by integrating these various data sources. Without LangChain, an AI model can't access or pull information from live websites or databases. It would only be able to provide information based on the data it was trained on, which could be months or even years old. This means you wouldn't get the most current research findings, news, or data. Core components of LangChain: 1. LLM wrappers. These are like special packages that allow developers to easily connect their applications with language models, like GPT-4 or others. Instead of worrying about how to talk to these models, developers can use these wrappers to simplify the process. 2. Prompt templates. Prompt is like a question or a task asked to the language model. Prompt templates are pre-made structures or formats designed to frame these tasks or questions in a clear and consistent way. By using a prompt template, you ensure that the language model understands exactly what you want it to do, which can help generate more accurate and relevant responses. 3. Chains. Think of a chain as a series of steps that the application follows. For example, a chatbot might first ask you a question, then understand your response, and finally give you an answer. LangChain helps to set up these steps in an organized way. 4. Memory. This component allows applications to remember previous interactions. For example, if you're chatting with a bot, memory allows it to remember what you said earlier in the conversation. 5. Data connectors. In LangChain, they are like bridges that allow the AI application to access and interact with external data sources, such as databases, APIs, or other live information sources. This capability is crucial for making the AI more dynamic and useful, as it enables the application to work with real-time data, retrieve specific information, or store and use results for future tasks. 6. Agents. In LangChain, they are like advanced, smart assistants that can carry out tasks on your behalf by making decisions based on the instructions you provide. Think of an agent as a virtual helper that can take your request, figure out the best way to accomplish it, and then execute the necessary steps. How does LangChain work? 1. Input. The user provides input, such as a question or a command. 2. Processing. LangChain takes this input and processes it using its core components, like prompt templates, chains, and agents. 3. Interaction with LLM. The processed input is then sent to the large language model, LLM, for understanding and generating a response. 4. Output. The response generated by the LLM is sent back to the user through the application. Why is LangChain important? LangChain is important because it simplifies the process of working with large language models. Without LangChain, developers might need to write a lot of complex code to get these models to do what they want. LangChain provides ready-made tools and guidelines, so developers can focus more on what they want their application to do rather than worrying about the technical detail. And that's a wrap on our exploration of LangChain. I hope you enjoyed discovering how this powerful framework is revolutionizing the way we interact with large language models. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to TechXray for more tech insights. But before we end, I'd like to share an interesting fact about LangChain. Did you know that while LangChain is primarily known for enhancing text-based LLMs, its architecture allows integration with multimodal systems? This means it can link LLMs with image recognition tools or other non-text-based data sources to create more comprehensive AI applications.